Change your password?
There's screens everywhere.
Cocktail.
What's the paste you're doing?
Something yummy. You nailed it. It will say
Moroccan cheese bread.
Oh, thank you. But can you pull it some? Thank you. Oh, it's got some stuff inside.
Cheese.
Oh, goat cheese. We went to cheese making class, and then we learned how to make the feta cheese with the goat milk. My first cheese ever, and then it turned out really nicely. So we're gonna make a new batch, big one, and I'll ask him to bring it out for us.
Yes.
and this is happening very soon.
Very soon, very soon. You know the WEA? Yeah. They have like all different classes. No, we might want to try the next one, like a chocolate handbag make class. Like Chanel. We can't buy a Chanel bag, but we can make a bag.
That's great. Good on you guys.
But it actually took way longer than I expected. The class was like, it happened on Tuesday of the weeknights, and then 2.5 hours, 3 hours almost.
3 hours.
Oh wow.
And I was like, I'm falling asleep. So,
Give you wine?
Yes.
yeah, maybe.
All the cheese, the cheese platter with all the
So towards the end, I was like just sitting down, sipping my wine. He was doing all the work.
Good job.
I pay for the work. You came in 2001.
I came to Australia in 2013.
It's nice.
No, I had it when I came here. Yeah, the Aussie cheese monkey. Very sad story because I used to live in Sydney before I came here. And I got here, met him, I'm like, okay, I'm trapped. I'm in love. Goodness, yeah.
The next dish is bassella coming.
We're waiting for them.
So can you share the curry and share?
We share everything. No. Okay.
Bassella, yeah, cut in half and share. Traditional Moroccan dish.
Oh, that looks yum.
For the weddings or something like that.
Okay, so it's a festive food.
Yeah.
I love all these like the Moroccan flavor, you know, it's very, yeah.
Careful, but there's got icing, sugar, and then coconut.
That icing sugar part is like really good.
I know.
Yeah.
You wouldn't.
Savory and then the sugar together. Yeah.
You want allergic to any food like with everything? Lamb, can be seafood.
I love every small.
Oh, yeah. You know them.
Maybe all allergic to small portion, be like big portion.
Yeah, right?
Wait.
Oh, you have to drink it all? The OG doesn't drink it all. It's just very nice. No one knows how to tap it up, honey. Sorry, Jose. I didn't train you well enough.
No. You want half glass, then I pour it, finish over it.
Hey, that's cheating.
Cheers again.
He's got some cool gear there as well. That's really cool. Yeah.
Not a gadget competition.
That's right, Mark.
I'm taking your puppy mark. Take it around. We were filming.
Oh.
That's right,
I know, it's fine.
The lamb. These two dishes, these are both award winning. Awarded by Channel 7. This is awarded by Golden 4. 6 hours in focus. We don't need to know all chicken.
Chicken.
I haven't tried it.
That's not chicken. That's not, I think it's a star. Yum. Yeah. So far, I like seafood on the best, but I haven't tried a name yet. It doesn't smell.
What do you mean?
No, I mean, I like lamb, but sometimes, some days I can't do lamb for some reason. Yeah, we have a friend, like, he's Polish guy, and he's in his 70s, I think, and he doesn't believe in drinking water. He thinks like drinking water will make him rusty, so like, so he only drinks the holy water. Oh, thank you. Ooh la la, look at that. Oh, that's what little. How's it? Is it like spicy?
Yeah, really.
Really?
Oh, look.
I mean, he obviously can't handle spicy, but he always asks for it. We should have a cocktail. That's how it sounds. Oh my god.
It will never stop. Censor. Edit.
Yeah, it's like
Censor.
cocktails are down here. Yeah, who needs a tail anyways, you know, like. Isn't it like very similar to Turkish? Turkish delight and then baklavas. Yeah. Yeah, where's that rum baba? Is that Italian? Oh, I love that thing. It's beautiful. Oh. It's just like so moist and then just run around to the alcohol. Yes.
The highest, the highest of this building.
Leo, yes. Ari. Oh my god, I remember you. Remember that? Yeah. Oh, we went for a quick hiking this morning. And then they're like deep sleep right now.
Where did
you take them?
Out hiking? Like. Did you change your password? Oh, wow. I thought I pushed the wrong button, but it wasn't obviously. Wait, by the way, so what's the number?
일본 6개짜리로 4개 안 되더라고요. 2판이.
Ah.
Oh.
Don't go rusty.
That's nice.
And one.
Are you off at Belmont?
No. We went to the ancestry.
Anstey House? Up on the past Mulberry. Yeah. You know where the yes, where the Blue Lake is on the right side, and then we just went to like the west side.
Yeah, Pom. Teacher, that's right.
Oh, they're cute. Are they the same age?
She's 9, Leo's 11.
Oh wow, they're old
Yeah.
guys.
I think we're missing one T. No?
Oh, they're bringing 3 more.
Ah. Well, you're getting rusty. Oh,
That's when you have a, pick up a kid. This happens when you have children. Just keep dogs. So nice to meet you. I look forward to the movie.
definitely. Wow, look at that. So, yeah, maybe we can share this. Is it ice cream? It's very nice.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna head off.
So anyway.